This is your pal, Gadget Sal. And of course, that's not my real voice, but it is me, your pal Sal, guys. And what we have today are 3 different type of pepper cores, and we're going to rate them from 0 to 10. 0 being the worst, 10 being the best, but it's only one test, that's all. So let's get this started.
Gadget Sal.
And here is the first one right over here, guys. Nylon pepper core. And it has a picture of a pepper there and the core there. We're going to open this one up. No instructions, and it's just 2 little plastic things. And of course you have this one. This one is for bell peppers. You have a smaller one, and I'm pretty sure this is for jalapenos. I couldn't find regular jalapenos, guys, so what I did buy was sweet peppers. Those are kind of the same size, so we'll try them out. We're just going to insert this here. It's going to go inside. We turn it all the way around the insides, and then you just core it out. So here we go. Hopefully it doesn't get into my eyes. That's pretty easy. So we turn it. That's pretty cool. Smells bell peppery. And check that out. That's pretty cool. That's the whole core stuck inside, and there is some things inside like seeds and stuff. That's pretty cool. There's almost nothing inside, and everything is right over here. And you can see it also on the back side. And that's what it looks like when I bring it out. Here's a red one here. You insert it. Like so. You twist it, I guess, at the same time. And it cores it out. And let's check it out. Wow, I can't believe it. Check it out. This is pretty simple. It doesn't have any teeth or anything. It's just flat on the edges. And it's coring out the whole core of the bell pepper. And the inside, let's see what that looks like. That is extremely clean. So this is pretty cool. The big one works really great for the bell peppers. So let's try the small one here. I didn't have jalapenos, so I bought these sweet peppers. They're basically mini bell peppers. And we're just going to insert that here inside. And I guess just give it a turn. Turn. And did it bring it out? No, kind of. Sort of. I mean, it did core it. There's the core there. That's extremely clean. There's basically nothing inside. Another sweet pepper. We're going to go this way. That way you guys can see a lot more clear. Twist it. And then, okay, cool. This one trapped the core inside there. Check out the core there. Pretty clean, guys. There's almost nothing inside. I do like that. An 8.8. This is extremely nice. For it being made out of plastic, it works really well. The pointy ends are extremely pointy. And this bell pepper one is pretty big. And the jalapeno one is pretty small. Even though it's made out of plastic, this thing works extremely well. I didn't think this was going to work as well as it did. I think it might lose some of its sharpness here because it is made out of plastic. Can you sharpen a plastic? Yeah, maybe if you have the tools. It's very small and compact. You can put them one inside the other. You store them away. Next one. And here we go, guys. The next one right over here. That is called a stainless steel pepper core. But I bought it on Amazon, this one here. This one I think is only good for jalapenos. It's shorter than I thought it was going to be. Stainless steel there. Plastic handle. That's what it looks like. So this one has serrated teeth all over the edge here. And of course here alongside all the way to the back. We're going to insert that here. Hopefully I don't cut myself, so I'm going to do it slow. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Oh no, oh no. Wow, okay, this one kind of mashed it all the way through. Here's the core, but it kind of mashed it a little bit, but it did core it. See, it's all clean there. Let's do a red one here. Insert that there. This one's kind of more difficult to insert than the plastic nylon one. Trying to twist it all the way around. And pull that out. The core didn't come out with it this time, so I'll pull out the core. It leaves it relatively clean on the inside, guys. Check that out. Here we go. We're going to do it again. And if you're liking what you're seeing, guys, please click that like and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And there we go. Wow, this one, I think it got the whole core, so we're going to pull the core out. Yes, this one worked out the way it should. All right, we're going to pull that off. It's relatively clean. I see 1, maybe 2 seeds inside. Maybe it'll even do this one, the Anaheim chili. We're going to try it. We're going to insert it down over here. Hopefully it doesn't squirt into my eyes. And we're just going to give it a twist and a turn. Let's see what it does. Uh-oh. Okay, we're just going to try to finish this here. And no, it's not going to do this. I'm going to show you what happened right now, guys. Try and cut around it because it is serrated teeth, kind of like a knife. Yeah, I mean, check it out. There's the core and the stem there. Maybe you can't see all the way inside, but 4 or 5 seeds all the way inside. This is what happened. This was straight before I started this pepper. This is made out of very cheap metal, very cheap quality stainless steel. Check that out, guys. I mean, even if it was thin, I didn't think it was going to be this easy to bend. I don't like that, guys. That's not cool. And it's getting weaker every time I bend it back and forth. It's not meant for something bigger than the sweet pepper. It's not meant for this here. But for what you pay for this one compared to the nylon one, you would think it would be a lot better quality. I'm gonna give this a 4.1. It is made out of stainless steel, where it's serrated and it's actually cutting into the pepper. It is made out of plastic over here on top. But 4.1 because I cannot believe this thing bent. This cost way more than the plastic one. It's already bending. It's already breaking. I would have thought the plastic one would break before this one here. I wouldn't buy this again if I knew that it would bend so easily like that. I'm barely even putting any type of force to it. Next one. Alright guys, and here we go. The next one here. It's called Zyliss. And here we go, guys. This is pretty cool. It's a pretty compact, small form. And you basically twist this and it comes out, and you have the jalapeno core here and you have the bell pepper core here, and they both have serrated teeth. There you go, focuses on there. When you're done, you insert it into the serrated teeth here, the jalapeno core one, you twist it, and there it is. Basically can be stored away. Another red bell pepper, and we're gonna insert it here, push down, twist at the same time. That was extremely easy. I don't want to go all the way through, but check it out, it fits pretty much all the way in. And we'll twist this out. And is it inside? Yeah, that's pretty cool. And check out the bell pepper. The bell pepper has nothing inside. Just maybe 3-4 seeds, so you can wash that out really quickly. The core here, all clean. We'll push that out. It's a pretty nice circle there. We're going to do another green one here. And here we go. Twist that. Motion there. This is what it looks like on the inside of the bell pepper core. It stays stuck inside. It's right over here. And this is the bell pepper all clean. This is so cool, guys. I can't believe how good this works. If you're liking what you're seeing, guys, please give us a like and a subscribe. Stay tuned for more gadget videos. Just wash it out really quick and it's ready to be stored away. Here we have the jalapeno one, the small serrated edges. We're going to insert that here. So this would be like a regular jalapeno. I mean, very, very similar. Pull that out, and there's the core inside. That's so cool. Here's the sweet pepper. The next one here, we're going to insert the stem inside right down the center. And insert, pull that out, and check it out. This time the stem and the core is right there, and the inside of that pepper extremely clean. There's almost nothing inside. So we'll pull out the core here, and there it is. An orange one here. We're going to insert that stem in here. I like that sound that it makes, guys. Sounds so cool. There's the core. Check it out. So you really have to kind of reach in with your pinky finger and push it down. And there's the core. It kind of almost gets the outer edges, but not really. You might want to just go over that really quick, and it got every single thing out, and it's relatively clean. I'm going to give this a 9.3. This one is extremely cool. I like the serrated teeth all around the edges there. I do like that it has this store away factor. See? That's cool. Clicks on, it stores away. It's made out of really hard plastic, not really thin plastic like the first one. And I think it's a very good score for what it does. And this one out of all of them, I think probably works the best. Guys, this is your pal Gadget Sal here again. And those were 3 bell pepper cores you can purchase right now. And my favorite one was this one right over here with the plastic housing and serrated teeth. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and check out this video right over here to see some more gadgets tested and scored. And remember, one test, that's all. We'll see you next time. Thank you.